So let us take two more examples and solve it. So in the first case, they are given x of t is equal to t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 minus t minus 2 u of t minus 2 minus t minus 3 u of t minus 3 plus t minus 4 u of t minus 4. And we know that we can write r of t in terms of u of t, that is r of t is equal to t into u of t. So this is the one to remember. Okay, and how you had obtained this? You know the t function, it's like this, okay, passing through the origin. So if I multiply that with u of t, that means u of t is, this exists only from 0 to infinity. So it is like this. So when it is multiplied, you are only going to get the t greater than 0 part. Okay, so this you are going to get this, and this is nothing but your ramp function r of t. Okay, so let us try to solve this. So if I shift the function, so this is r of t minus 1, that means t is replaced by t minus 1, u of t minus 1. Okay, so we can write this in terms of ramp function. Okay, so let us write x of t, that is equal to r of t minus 1 minus r of t minus 2 minus r of t minus 3 plus r of t minus 4. So I have written this in terms of ramp functions. So let us start solving this. So this is my signal x of t. So at t is equal to 1. So this is the shifted ramp function. So t is equal to 1. Your ramp starts. Okay, your ramp starts. Till where? Till 2. Okay, till 2. So this value is 1. Next, see the slope is 1 here. Now the slope is minus 1. So the resultant slope will be equal to 0. 0 means it will be a horizontal line. That is a constant. That means when positive ramp and negative ramp, there are negative ramps. Okay. So what happens? The resultant will be our constant signal. Okay. Positive and negative ramp. So here also 1 minus 1 0, that is till where the slope, that is till t is equal to 3, because at 3 you are going to have another one ramp with a negative slope. So I'll write a constant here. See, now you are having 0, the resultant slope was 0. Now you have a slope minus 1. So now it is 0 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. That means you are going to get a ramp with the slope minus 1, that is still where? Till t is equal to 4. Because at t is equal to 4, you are going to get another positive ramp. So till 4, it is like this. So what happens at 4? See, minus 1 was the resultant slope. Now the plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. That means it is producing the constant signal. Okay. So this is your signal x of t. Another thing is to understand is when you get a minus slope, so it will be continuing like this, right? That is negative slope. But here at t is equal to 4, you are getting a ramp with positive slope. So ramp with positive and negative, it is going to produce the constant signal. Okay. But just by doing the addition, subtractions here, we can draw this. See, slope is 1. Okay. 1 minus 1, 0, 0. Okay. Then 0, 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. Okay. So this, like this, we are going to add the slopes and we are going to draw the signal. So next, let us consider the second problem where they have given the signal and now we have to write it in terms of u of t and r of t. So here see, at t is equal to 0, you have a step, that is, okay, u of t, which is having the height 1. Okay. Next, at u of t minus 1, at t is equal to 1, your step is changing. Okay. That means it becoming 1. So the previous height is 1, now it is 2. Okay. The new height is 2. That means I should add a unit step function once again, that is plus of u of t minus 1. So 1 plus 1, you are going to get the resultant signal as 2, step function 2. That is still where? Till t minus 2. Okay. Because at t is equal to 2, your ramp starts now. So at t is equal to 2, your ramp starts means this is having a slope that is equal to 3 minus 2, 1, 1. So it is slope 1, positive 1. Slope is equal to plus 1. So what happens? Step height as it is, but now it starts from r of t minus 2. So this will be having slope 0. This will be having slope 1. So 0 plus 1. Now we are getting the signal. Okay. So this is your x of t. This is your x of t. So this can also be written as u of t plus u of t minus 1 plus t minus 2 u of t minus 2. In terms of unit step functions, we can write like this. Okay. So this is the answer. Just see, here you are having steps, here it is ramp. Okay. Step means first it is height 1, next it is changing to height 2. That is, you are going to add another unit step. So when you add one unit step with another unit step, okay, you are going to get here as 2, right? 1 plus 1, 2. So here also I have 1. So to get 2, I should add another one ramp function. Okay, that is, here it is shifted, not ramp, step function. Shifted ramp step function should be added to get the resultant, that is equal to 2 here. Then at the 2, what happens? You are getting a ramp function. So you are already having this, that is with the height 2 now, from point 1. Okay, from point 1 you are having the step function. But now what happens? If you are having at 2, if you are having the ramp function, if it is added with this, okay, it will be vertically shifted upwards by 2 units. So this will be your answer. Okay.